Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you simple steps on how to fix the Google Chrome which automatically opens when starting Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and here please type for settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Here, please click on open option to continue. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please navigate to the option called accounts. And under the accounts tab, we just have to wait until this loading process will be finished before we can proceed. So here we need to proceed with account settings. Go with this one, sign in options. Okay, and here in the sign in options, proceed with the additional settings and make sure that this one show account details such as my email address on the sign in screen is being off. So if you in your case it is being turned on, make sure it is being off. Once you're done, close the window and proceed to the next step. The next step would be you need to proceed at the button search bar and here please type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match would appear and once it's here, please click on this open option to continue. So the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome, please directly proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it and here scroll down and look for settings which has this gear icon. Click on it and eventually you will be redirected to the Chrome settings. Here, please locate with the left pane of that. You can see there an option called System. So bring up the system. So tap on it. Okay. And you would be able to see this one, which is continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure it is being offed. Once you're good, close the window and proceed to the third step. The third step would be here at the start icon, make a right click and then scroll up and click on Task Manager. And here at the Task Manager, navigate to the left pane. You can see their processes. And here, please proceed to this list of the option under the processes. Okay, next to the processes, go with the startups. And from here, if you have seen your Chrome here, all you need to do is you need to change the status of the startup into disabled. So how you can do so, let's say for example, this is the Google Chrome. All you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with disable. Once you have disabled it, close the window. Okay, and proceed to the last method. The last method would be you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this window called Run. Here, please type for shell colon start up. Click on enter and eventually you'd be redirected here to this file folder which is your startup. All you need to do is you need to delete the Google Chrome here. The reason why you face an error is that you have placed Google Chrome here in your startup. So highlight it and go with this delete icon. Once you have deleted it, close the window and restart your computer. So by that, please navigate to the start icon, tap on it, go with your power menu options and click on restart. The reason why we need to restart is we need to restart in order to make any changes and the actions that we have just performed in this video. So restart your computer and the moment you've restarted it, I'm sure your Google Chrome will not be automatically opens the moment you've opened your Windows again. So that's it. Those are the important methods on how to fix your problem. If you think those steps or hopefully one of those steps help you to fix your problem, if yes, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.